Millet, Alberta is a small town located approximately 40 kilometers south of Edmonton and 15 kilometers north of Wetaskiwin. Known for its rich history and close-knit community, Millet offers residents a blend of rural charm and accessibility to urban centers. Today, we're going to do a drive around town and a short walk through its hamlet's corridor. Millet's history dates back to the late 19th century, with its development closely tied to the expansion of the railway and agriculture in the region. The town has preserved much of its heritage, evident in local museums and historical sites that celebrate its past. Millet has a population of approximately 2,000 residents. The median age of residents is 40.6 years, slightly higher than the national median. The majority of the population identifies as non-Indigenous, with a small percentage, about 5%, identifying as Indigenous. Crime data from Millet indicates that the town has a total crime rate of approximately 5,673 incidents per 100,000 people, which is 34% higher than the national average, but 11% lower than the Alberta average. The violent crime rate is around 1,094 incidents per 100,000 people, and the property crime rate stands at about 4,500 incidents per 100,000 people. This can alarm some people because this is a very small community. As of April 2025, the real estate market in Millet reflects the following trends. The average house price is about $430,000. That is quite a bit for a small hamlet. Detailed rental data for Millet is limited. However, available information suggests that the median rent in Millet is lower than the national average, indicating relatively affordable rental options. For context, nearby areas such as Wetaskiwin have average rents as about $1,100 a month. Given the proximity to Wetaskiwin, rental prices are likely comparable. Residents of Millet appreciate the town's small town atmosphere, community events, and recreational opportunities. The town's location offers a balance between peaceful rural living and convenient access to larger urban areas like Edmonton and Wetaskiwin. In summary, Millet provides a blend of historical charm, a close-knit community, and affordable living options, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a quieter lifestyle within the reach of city amenities. But we would love to hear from you. What do you think of Millet? Have you visited this little hamlet? And are you planning to move here? And we would like to hear from residents themselves. What's it like living in this small town? Please put a comment down below in the comment section. And remember to always subscribe so that way you don't miss videos like this. Thank you so much for stopping by and take care.